Okay, you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Steven!
What?
Where are you going?
I'm going to the movies with my friends!
You're not going anywhere until you mow that lawn.
Fine!
Hey! You like mowing that lawn? You need some help?
This is awesome.
Alright. I'll be $35.
Hell no, I ain't paying you guys.
Hey! You like mowing that lawn? You see the carpet, you know? Not anymore. Not anymore. No, sir. But you look at what's fucking going on, these days. Women presidents and stuff, you know. Well, that didn't used to happen.